Hi, in this video, I am going to walk you through the first student example for Unit 5. If you have not already done so, make sure to watch the lecture video first before watching these example videos. So there will be this video, student example 1, and there will be another video, student example 2. So this is an example, as you can imagine, created by a student. So for Unit 5, you already know that you are going to create a set of technical instructions. The list of topics is on the Unit 5 assignment description. Choose one of those topics. Please do not write about anything else. This example is how to import a chart from Excel to PowerPoint. And this student decided to create the document in PowerPoint. You can use the Word template that I have provided, or you can use PowerPoint. And as you can see, you can create the PowerPoint to look however you'd like, but you have to make sure, obviously, that the text is easy to read. So keep that in mind when you choose the color scheme for your PowerPoint presentation. So it starts off with the title slide that you see here, and there is just the title, a tutorial, and then their name was there. Obviously, I've taken it off. The first slide should be a purpose slide or something similar. You can also call it an introduction. So the purpose slide should tell the reader why these instructions exist and how the instructions will help them. Here, let's look at a few things. First, all of the instructions need to be clearly numbered. So you can write it as step 1 or just the number 1, and either way is fine. The second thing to note is that all of your directions, so each slide that has a direction that tells the user where to click or where to look, should have a picture. The picture has to be a screenshot or taken by you. It cannot be clip art or anything else. It has to be a screenshot. So I am providing directions on how to take screenshots, but if you have questions, make sure to just email me and let me know. So each slide will basically have 3 parts. First, the numbering. The second is the directions, the written directions. And the third part is the image. Obviously, the image needs to match the words. The other big thing that you have to remember is that each of your directions should start with a verb. So it says step 1, open. Open is a verb. Click is a verb. So you can have step 1 and have 2 parts of step 1 as long as your picture matches whatever you write here. But each of your steps should probably not have more than like 2 or 3 of these kind of sub steps. If you get into more than that, then just write it as another step. So if, for example, you had 3 bullets or 4 bullets here, then just break it up into step 2, step 3. If that doesn't make sense, make sure to email me so I can help you. The biggest mistake that I see in these submissions is that the students don't use a verb. So open is a verb, click is a verb, and your verbs should be in simple present tense. So it shouldn't say like opening. No, that's wrong. Just open. It should not say clicking or clicked or you are going to click or anything like that. It's just very plain. Open, click, that's it. So a verb and in present simple tense. So looking at the rest of the slides, as you can see, they're all very similar. This student decided to kind of use a different format here for step 2 versus steps 1 and 3. And I would recommend that you just be consistent, but the student made this choice. I think I did not ask this person, but I think they made this choice because the picture for step 2 was larger. So if you have a legitimate reason why, then that's fine. In step 2, again, you have locate. That's a plain, not a plain verb. It's a verb that's in present simple tense. Everywhere that you tell the reader to click, it should look like it does on the screen. So you see how this has a capital C, has a capital C here. So just literally just copy what it says on the screen and put it in either quotation marks or these little single quote marks. Either is fine. So they have the words here and then the picture on the side. You can make the picture really big. So don't take a screenshot of your whole screen. Just zoom in on what you want to show, what's important. And then you can add circles or arrows. In the other example, you'll see that student, I think, used highlighting. So I'll show you that. And then this is step 3, same thing. You can pause the video here if you want to take a closer look at this. This student used an oval to show exactly where to click. And same here, the summary and tips. You can add whatever useful information would be here. And then obviously at the end, you'll include a support or what to do if things go wrong type of slide or just that piece of information. So I will see you in the next video.